Welcome to the Southern Maryland Market Watch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence, an MRIS company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Southern Maryland housing market, which includes these areas. As of March, the nation has recovered all of the private sector jobs lost in the recession. Between February and March, the nation added 192,000 jobs, all of which were in the private sector. Over the past 12 months, the U.S. gained 2.2 million new jobs, led by growth in professional services, leisure and hospitality, and education and health services. At 6.7%, the U.S. unemployment rate was unchanged from February. Activity in the national housing market remains sluggish, and existing home sales, new home sales, pending home sales, and housing starts were below their year-ago levels. Winter weather continued to play a role, but rising prices and interest rates may impact sales favorably in the upcoming months. In Southern Maryland, buyer activity remained low in March. There were 265 closed sales in March, 17% fewer than last year. This is the second year-over-year decrease in a row for this indicator. However, new pending contracts increased, rising 10.4% from last March to a total of 467 contracts. The number of homes for sale continues to rise and is now increased from the prior year for 9 months in a row. The number of active listings increased 15.4% from last year, rising to 2,069 listings at the end of March. Even with this increase, inventory remains tight and is only 56% of its 2008 peak. New listings continue to contribute to this increase in inventory and have risen from the prior year for 17 months in a row. There were 670 new listings in March, 9% more than this time last year, and the highest March total in 3 years. At $265,000, the median sales price is 5.6% higher than last year, a gain of $14,000. This is the highest March level in 5 years. The median days on market is now 58 days, 12 days fewer than this time last year. March generally continued the winter pattern seen earlier in the Southern Maryland region. Closed sales decreased while new pending contracts increased. Seller activity continues to increase, but inventory remains relatively tight. The median sale price increased due in part to the tight inventory. After a slow winter, spring and summer should pick up and capture some of the pent-up buyer demand. That's the Southern Maryland Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.